Alright, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to check a golfer in without going through the tee sheet. Okay, a lot of times we will be in a situation where golfers are just streaming in and we really aren't worried about the tee sheet. For example, in outing, we'll block the whole tee sheet off and then we'll just come over here and check people in. Another example is during leagues. We always know this league is going to show up on such and such night, so it's automatically blocked off. So a good example of this is, hey, it's the Monday night league. Here they come. They're coming in to check in. Instead of going through the tee sheet and going through that cumbersome process, all I have to do is come right here and click on leagues. Are they going to take a cart? 99% of these folks are going to take a cart. So that is what you hit. And then as you can see, boom, 18 bucks pops right up there. Now I said 99% people take the cart. Most of them will also buy a six-pack. So I took a little shortcut here. So hey, this dude wants to buy his greens fees and a six-pack, so I took a shortcut and added this button. Boom, 31 bucks. You don't have to go searching around for a bunch of buttons. You just know, bam, it's right there. And then obviously the walking and then the league replay for guys who are playing 18 holes within the league. So that's what we've got there. That's how you check them in. Sometimes we have scrambles. We have the Tuesday Ladies Scramble. Bam, you just hit it there. The 2x2 scramble there. If they're a member, you can hit it there. If they're a platinum member playing in a 2x2 scramble, you can hit there. Friday couples league, you can check them in there. Friday member, right there. And so there you go. A lot of different options there. Tween junior league or registration. It's just meant to make things a little bit quicker instead of having to punch it in. So that's how you check people in. A member, 9 holes with a cart, bam. That member also wants a can of beer. There it is. It's as easy as that. I hope this was easy.